Welcome to our channel. If you need more time to file your tax return, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly request an extension and avoid penalties. Step 1. Understand that an extension gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. You must still estimate and pay any taxes owed by the original deadline to avoid penalties. Step 2. File Form 4868 for personal taxes or Form 7004 for business taxes before the regular filing deadline. This gives you an automatic 6-month extension. Step 3. Use IRS Free File to submit your extension electronically, which is faster and provides immediate confirmation. You can also file by mail. Step 4. Calculate your estimated tax liability as accurately as possible. Use last year's return and current year income information to make a reasonable estimate. Step 5. Pay any estimated taxes owed when filing your extension using IRS Direct Pay, credit card, or by mailing a check with Form 4868. Step 6. Keep proof of your extension filing, including confirmation numbers for electronic filing or certified mail receipts for paper filing. Step 7. Mark your new deadline on your calendar. Individual extensions run until October 15th, while business extensions vary by entity type. Step 8. Continue gathering documentation and work on your return during the extension period. File as soon as possible to avoid last-minute stress and reduce interest charges on any unpaid balance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.